major. Wow, what a fun little scale with a funky character, with syncopated notes and accents. You have eighth notes and quarter notes carefully laid out to create this kind of a offbeat feeling tempo, kind of like playing jazz almost. And you are accenting those quarter notes pretty strongly to make them stand out. Be sure to do that. Also, to add another layer to this cake, you're starting off dynamically, very, very small with piano, moving into bigger dynamic. He doesn't say what it's supposed to be, maybe mezzo forte or forte if you can help it, and then going back to piano. And that's basically it. So it's kind of like an opening an accordion and then closing it, so to speak. I had a lot of fun learning this and teaching this, and I hope you do too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also invite you to visit my website where there's more information about the lessons I teach. Thanks for watching.